Are you concerned you do not have enough savings to feel comfortable in retirement? Are you worried you will exhaust your savings and then require government assistance, which may only be enough for basic living? Can you see yourself being unable to enjoy the luxuries that you like to indulge in, unable to afford travel expenses to enjoy time with your children and grandchildren, unable to provide gifts for Christmas, birthdays, and other celebrations? Well, I believe online marketing can provide a passive income to provide you security and flexibility during your retirement. I believe online marketing can provide you with a passive income even if you're not online and while you are sleeping. I believe online marketing can provide you with more time freedom. I believe online marketing may also lead to an early retirement. If you want more information, I can send you the free informative videos about the opportunities and possibilities of starting your own online business from scratch. Press the button below, enter your details, and I'll send you the videos. These are the same free videos that I received, which helped me make the decision that an online business was for me. These are the same free videos that gave me the confidence to start my online business. I haven't started any business before, but this information gave me the confidence to start online marketing. I too never had the confidence I was entirely financially secure to enter retirement. I was working long hours with a lot of air travel and not a lot of financial reward, becoming less and less excited by the work I was doing. Then I saw this advertisement about digital marketing, which has given me the confidence that we can have a passive income to fully enjoy retirement with the time freedom that we can attain. I found a global community of digital entrepreneurs who are helping me to a laptop lifestyle and financial security. I had no knowledge of online digital marketing previously. The laptop lifestyle can not only give you financial security that we all want, but also give you the time freedom to enjoy your retirement. You can really change your life and really start to live the retirement you envisaged. With time freedom, we can enjoy the freedom to travel the world, indulge in your favorite sport, or enjoy the fruits of your much loved hobby. More time freedom for socializing, spending quality time with your family, holidaying in countries that you have always wanted to explore while working from an internet-connected laptop. Enjoy the freedom of time during your retirement, or you have a passive income working for you. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, even while you sleep. Online marketing can be set up while you're continuing with your current employment or business and have this online marketing up and running fully so you can finally retire in comfort and free of financial worries. This online marketing may also give you the opportunity to retire earlier. No more 9 to 5 or longer working hours for the job which you may have lost the passion for. No more working for the boss who makes you feel underappreciated. No more commuting to and from your workplace. We all know how tiring that is, being caught in traffic, travelling on crowded public transport, walking through the busy morning streets of people going to start their day at work, or in the evening wearily travelling back home. An online business doesn't have the huge expenses which is required to start other types of businesses, such as a franchise, retailer operating from a retail shop, coffee shop, or other similar business. Enter the digital economy by launching your own digital marketing strategy. Press on the button below, enter your contact details, and I will send you the free videos that will give you an insight into the principles to succeed in this business model. We have entered a new era where an internet can provide unlimited opportunities. It has never been so easy to start online digital marketing. Keep an open mind and put in the initial work to set up your website, which can then be fully automated so you can relax while the internet works for you. Are you concerned you don't have the technical skill to set up an online presence? It can be done quite easily with limited technical knowledge. With the free videos I was given, information of how to build an online business from scratch. Obviously, you have some online skills because you are watching this video. Just follow the process given to set up the online business, as have hundreds of people throughout the world have done. Do you think you're too old? I'm in my mid-60s and I feel I have quite a few years left. It is possible to have this successfully up and running within a few months with the right attitude and the correct mindset by following the step-by-step process. Are you not sure what type of online business you can undertake, or you don't have a product that you think you can sell? Don't worry, the step-by-step process will give you the information to provide you with the ideas for your business model, if you don't already have an idea. I would like to help you by providing the information that I received, which can put you on the path to a laptop lifestyle. Make the change now. Do yourself a favor. Watch the free videos and you can decide if this journey is for you. Press the button somewhere around this video and it will take you to my website. Just enter your contact details and I will send you the same free videos that I received with the information of how to start your digital marketing adventure. Get ready to press the button.